Exclusive and high performance. The market launch of the Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition, limited to 100 units in Europe, will celebrate the success story of a quarter century for the Audi TT Coupé. With its clean lines, this sports car has been an inspiration the world over since its premiere in 1998 due to its pure driving pleasure and puristic design language. The RS version impresses with its special 5-cylinder performance and a sound that gets under your skin. The limited edition Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition combines these emotional characteristics and accentuates them with sporty design elements, both in the exterior and interior. Timeless through time, the TT has been Audi's design icon for almost a quarter of a century. Now, the Audi TT RS Coupé Iconic Edition is continuing the trend into the future, a fast sports car with new innovations whilst retaining the typical TT RS properties, design and dynamics.